Hello students, welcome to class with mathematics. Today we will do the new concept, that is simplification of numerical expression. Here in the word expression is there. What's the meaning of this word expression? Okay. Now as we know that in mathematics we have four operations are there, and these four operations are called fundamental operations. Which four operations are there? One is plus, another is minus, multiply and division. These four operations we are mainly used in mathematics. Now let us take an example, that is 18 plus 5 multiply by 3 minus 2, right? These three operations, out of these four operations, three operations are using in the single question. In this question we are using three operations. One is plus, another is multiply, another is minus. So that is called the expression. So what you say, that a mathematical expression in which, okay, in a mathematical expression in which two or more operations are used or occur together, that is called the numerical expression. जब आप एक ही क्वेश्चंस के अंदर दो या दो से ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेशन जो है ऑपरेशन यूज़ कर रहे हैं, प्लस माइनस और मल्टीप्लाई या डिवीज़न, तो उस एक्सप्रेशन को हम लोग बोलते हैं न्यूमेरिकल एक्सप्रेशन. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज देयर, हाउ वी कैन solve these numerical expression, right? Let us take the same question I am going to take here. 8 plus 5 multiply by 3 minus 2. So if I give this expression to different students, right, they will solve the same question by different way, by their own way. How? If they know, if they will not use the proper steps. Now let us try to solve this question. 18 plus 5, someone may solve this expression like this way. 18 plus 5, they will solve it 23 multiply by 3 minus 2, right? So 33, it is a 69 minus 2, so your answer is 67. And another students may solve this expression like this way. 18 plus 5 3 are the 15 minus 2 equal to, then he will solve 18 plus 5, 33 minus 2. His answer is 31. So question is similar. The similar question I have solved, but the answers are different. Okay, the answer, one answer is 67, another answer is 31. Now question is there, which one is correct? Okay, so here this question is, this answer is correct. Why it is correct? Now to solve the numerical expression we have to follow certain steps. That's when we are using the four fundamental operations, so which operation we will solve first? That's done by, we have a simple formula is there, that is board mass. We say it board mass, BODMAS. Here in board mass we have B stands for bracket, O stands for off, O stands for off, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Right? Now bracket and off, these are not in, we have not in syllabus of class 5th. You will use, you will find it in class 6th or 7th and onwards, right? Here in the class 5th we will use only these 4 operations, that is, one is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? Now how I can use this one? I have question is here, 15 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 5. I have question is there, right? Now according to our formula, that is board mass, you can write in the rough BODMAS. Now BOD you can ignore this one, you can write the simple formula D mass, because we are using D mass in the syllabus of class 5th. Now in the D mass, which operation will come first? According to D mass, division. This division operation will come first. So here division is there, 6 divided by 3. So that means we will solve this division first. So how I can solve? 15 plus, and other you will write as it is, okay? And 6, when you divide 6 by 3, what you will get? 2. Then what is then after that one? Minus 5. Now we have 2 operations are there, one is plus, another is minus. According to D mass, after division multiplication is there, no multiplication symbol is there, so after that addition is there, so you will, what you do? Addition. So 15 plus 2 is here, so you will add this one, 15 plus 2, 17 minus 5, right? Now we have only subtraction is there, so 17 minus 5, you will get 12. Take another example. I will take another example, that is 4 multiplied by 3 plus 9 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 minus 2. Here I have a question is there. Now in this question we have, we are having all 4 operations are there, multiply, plus, division, minus, right? Now again write down the mass. According to our formula, which operation we will solve first? That is division. We will solve division first. So in the operation, in this expression, where is the division? Here it is the division, right? Now read it, 6 divided by 3, okay? So rest of things you will write as it is. 4 multiplied by 3, you will write more, 4 multiplied by 3, then plus, then we are having 9, then we have multiply. After that 6 divided by 3, you now divide 6 divided by 3, you will divide 6 by 3, you will get 2, then minus 2. Now in this expression we have multiplication is there, multiplication, plus, multiply and minus. Now according to mass, no division there. After division, will sign you will prefer first multiplication. Now multiplication, 4 multiplied by 3. Here we have another multiplication is also there, 9 multiplied 2, you will also multiply these two, okay? Now 4 multiplied by 3, you will get 12, then plus. After that 9 multiplied 2, you will get 18, then we have minus 2. Here now we have 2 operations are there now, plus and minus, okay? Now after multiplication, which symbol you will prefer first? Addition, and 12 plus 18, it is 12 plus 18, so 12 plus 18 is 30, minus 2 Now subtract it, you will get 28. So well students, in this way you can solve the numerical expression.